Welcome. In today's video, you'll learn how to hide your LinkedIn information when viewing someone's profile on your PC using the latest update. If you want to browse LinkedIn profiles without revealing your identity, this step-by-step guide will help you do just that. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and head over to the LinkedIn website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture, or the Me icon. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to your account's main settings page, where you can control everything from your login preferences to your privacy controls. Next, on the left-hand side, you'll see a list of categories. Click on Visibility. This section manages who can see your activity and information across LinkedIn. Within the Visibility tab, look for Profile Viewing Options. Click on it to continue. Now, you'll see 3 different options for how your profile appears when you view others' profiles. By default, LinkedIn usually sets this to show your name and headline. To browse privately, select the Private Mode option. This ensures your name and other identifying details are completely hidden when you visit someone's profile. After selecting Private Mode, your changes are saved automatically. Now, you can view any LinkedIn profile without the other person knowing it was you. Keep in mind, when you browse in private mode, you also won't be able to see who's viewed your own profile. It's a fair trade-off for extra privacy. And that's it. You've successfully set your LinkedIn profile to private when viewing others. This is a great way to research, network, or simply browse without leaving a digital footprint. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on LinkedIn and other social platforms. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.